So this is the Greenfield Community Science Workshop. We provide hands-on science enrichment to Greenfield and South Monterey County in every way that we can. We work in public spaces, we work with schools, and we also work with other organizations and nonprofits in the county. We welcome people of all ages, families, to come in and do science or take advantage of the space in any way that makes sense for them. That could mean that people show up here to fix their bikes, they come to build home furniture, they come to build projects for their toddlers, or they're here for science learning experience, and that's what we provide. But at the same time, we're also working with the schools here in Greenfield and throughout South County, providing enrichment to students either during the school day or after the school day through our Science Mobile program. We actually get to work with every school district from Chular all the way down to San Diego. Often when the students have the opportunity to make their own discoveries, these are projects or these are explorations that the students undertake on their own. They get very motivated doing them. You can see that they're truly excited about what they're exploring or trying to figure out. And every so often, when you give a kid a chance to really take charge of their own education, their project, you see how they're absorbing that engineering habit, that kind of scientific habit of mind, of problem solving. And it's really nice to be able to see students face an obstacle, come up with a strategy and overcome those obstacles on their own without an adult having to tell them what to do. That's probably one of the greatest feelings that we have, because we know that when the students get to that point, they're going to be able to solve not only that isolated challenge, but they're going to be able to take that attitude and those skills and apply it to other places in their lives, whether that's school or other projects outside of school. We really see our work as trying to saturate every space of public life with science. And we have been very successful doing that here in Greenfield. What we have built here in Greenfield and the opportunities that we have being able to provide to students here, we want that same thing for students all over South County. So our hope is to start working with the schools to show them what the possibilities are when it comes to science enrichment, interactive science enrichment, but also talk to municipalities to bring programs like this to their own public spaces, so that not just students but entire families have access to a space where they can learn and do science together with their kids. Yeah, thank you so much. I think the Greenfield Science Workshop wouldn't be able to exist without the support and without the guidance of the local school districts, starting with the Greenfield School District 12 years ago when they opened their doors to our programs. And that has been the case here in Greenfield for those 12 years, but also all over South County. All the school districts have been very welcoming. They have been open to listen to our ideas and our way of doing science, and we have found common ground when it comes to doing science education in the classroom in a way that supports their goals, but also in a way that also aligns with our philosophy. And we are really appreciative of their support, and we look forward to building on that and hopefully expanding those opportunities to all of students in South County. In order for the science workshop to be able to do with the schools, a space like this, a physical space within walking distance from the students' homes, is absolutely essential to be able to provide the experiences that we provide. This is a space where students come in during the after-school hours, but really is a space where they can continue to learn science beyond what they see in the classroom. And where they can take those ideas that they see in the classroom or videos, and they come here to try to make them work on their own. And without a physical space that supports both the students and their programs, really the work that we do with the schools wouldn't be possible. This is the engine of all our programs, and to be able to truly provide the students with a place where they can grow their curiosity and really cultivate their ingenuity. This is something that needs to exist not only at the municipal level, but I think it needs to exist at within every school.